Today's camera battle is again Nikon versus Nikon, and we are gonna compare Nikon Coolpix B600 and Nikon Coolpix A1000 and try to see which camera is better where. Both are popular point and shoot cameras that are budget friendly and travel friendly. They are similar in make and technology, but who will win this battle? Let's see. So guys, today we are going to compare Nikon Coolpix B600 and Nikon Coolpix A1000, and we are having a score meter that will record which camera is better where, as we discuss various specs of the camera like shooting speed, price, sensor size, etc. So let's see which camera will be the winner. Both cameras have the same sensor size, 1 by 2.3 inch size PSI CMOS sensor that gives me 16 megapixel image resolution. So they offer the same level of control over depth of field with the same aperture and focal length values. So we'll give 1 point to both. The price of the Nikon Coolpix B600 is around 23,449 rupees. And the A1000 will cost me around 79,999 rupees. So since the B600 is cheaper, I have to give it a point. Optical zoom of the B600 is 60x and A1000 is 35x. So the B600 gives me more flexible focal coverage. The maximum video resolution of the B600 is 1920 by 1080 at 30 and 60 fps, but the A1000 can record in 4K, that is 3840 by 2160 pixels. The A1000 has a tilting screen. Its screen can move, swivel and tilt all the way around, so it's very useful for vlogging and taking selfies. But the screen of the B600 is fixed, it does not move at all. The A1000 is clearly smaller of the two cameras. It weighs 330 grams as opposed to 500 grams, but the B600 is 170 grams lighter. It does not make much difference because the B600 is also quite lightweight. Okay, but still we'll give a point to the A1000. The A1000 has a very cool time-lapse mode that allows me to record time-lapse videos in camera with zero editing needed. With a single charge, the B600 can give me 280 shots and the A1000 can give me 250 shots. That's hardly 30 more shots by the B600. Again, not a big difference, but still we'll give a point to the B600. A1000 has an electronic viewfinder, so I don't have to stare at the screen at all times like I have to do the B600. So I can frame my shots in a better and steadier way. The LCD monitor of the A1000 has touchscreen capabilities, so it eases the level of control of its functions. The B600 has no touchscreen capabilities. The A1000 gives me RAW support, meaning I can click my images in RAW plus JPEG. In the B600 I can only click in JPEG. So the A1000 gives me more flexibility while post-processing my images. I guess the biggest advantage of the A1000 is that it has a manual mode. So I can control my aperture, shutter speed and ISO the way I want it to be. Also I can use the semi-automatic modes of the camera, aperture priority, shutter priority, etc. In the B600 I can only control the ISO. So we have to give a point to the A1000. Now guys, we're gonna talk about some common features between these two cameras. Now, since they're common, we won't score them, but in case you wanna buy any of these cameras, I think you need to know them. Both cameras have somewhat similar inbuilt flash, image stabilization, face detection focus, Wi-Fi and mobile connectivity, LCD screen resolution of 921K dots. Both cameras don't have a microphone or headphone jacket, that's going to be GPS, and no shoe for external flash. So guys, the A1000 is the clear winner because it gives me a time-lapse mode, tilt-in screen, manual mode, 4K video recording capacity, RAW support and an electronic viewfinder. But the B600 is not very far behind. It costs less and has more optical zoom. So if budget is your constraint, then you can definitely go for the B600. It won't disappoint you. You end up saving around 57,000 rupees, which is great. So now the choice is yours. Here is a quick summary of the comparison between Nikon Coolpix V600 and Nikon Coolpix A1000. So guys, I hope you got a detailed comparison of the Nikon Coolpix V600 and Nikon Coolpix A1000 and were able to tell which camera is better where, and my video cleared your doubts regarding that. And if you want me to compare any two cameras, guys, please leave your suggestions down below and I will make videos accordingly. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous camera comparison. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.